Hello, today we're going to create a brand new e-commerce store connected to commercetools using Claude 3.5 Sonnet API. This is the latest release. It was actually published last week and I'm very impressed by the results, and everyone is providing amazing metrics. So let's take a look. So here I'm going to say create a basic e-commerce store connected with commercetools, provide the language, of course error handling. I wanted to use the version 2 of the SDK. And I have generated my API keys and tokens so it can connect to a real commercetools product. So let's give it that. Automatically is understanding what I'm trying to do. Because it knows that it's going to be producing source code, opens this particular window. It's writing all the code that I need. As you can see, it's going extremely fast, so it's done. Let me open that particular asset, this one. Okay, I can copy this, come here, replace it on my app. Perfect. And if I go, I can see that I'm getting a very basic e-commerce store with a list of products and prices. So it's actually bringing data from the system. That's really good. I'm seeing that there are no names for the products, so let's fix that one. So I can go say I am getting in all the cases. So basically I'm explaining what is happening. The system is analyzing, understanding, and now is readjusting. So it's probably going to modify the way that it's getting the product name. So you can see here it's trying to do some validations as well. So, okay, that looks cool. Let's give it another try. Okay. Okay, we are getting a new error. So I can just basically, wait. It's missing this part here. So I basically just need to copy from a different point. Let me see, where is this starting? From the app section. Okay. From here. Save. Starts again. Nice. So as you can see now, we have been able to fix the problem with the names. Now we are getting all the names. In this case, I'm connected to the Audi project within commercetools. This looks very basic, so maybe we can do something more advanced. I'll start including the pictures. Once again, we're going to just have a conversation. Nice. Also, please include the images of the products. Okay. Creating a new version once again, and we will be able to see here. And now it's creating actually a style. Okay, so I can, let me see the first file, because it's not doing the product price and product name. This one is going to be a little bit more challenging to actually merge, but let's give it a try. Before product name. Okay. Okay. Product name and then product image and all the way to the end. So here ignoring get product name, get product price. Okay, and we are doing this. Good. And it's also creating a basic CSS. Okay, let's copy that. Nice. Let's take a look. Okay, there you go. You can see that we have e-commerce store with products, a picture, and the price as well. So it's basically already connected with commercetools. It's bringing data, it's creating pictures, and so on. So this all is very basic but very impressive at the same time. Now, and this was a big surprise for me, I want to start applying some styling to this. So basically I just went to something like e-commerce site template, and I was looking into some ideas of a standard website. As you can see, it's a standard hero and so on. So you can basically kind of choose any one of them. In this case, I have one that I like. So I would say, great. Now, keep the functionality and apply the style and formatting. Okay, I'm gonna upload my style. Okay, let's see what happens now. Basically, here I just have a picture of a kind of generic website with a nicer header, with some categories, with a hero picture, with the products. It looks a lot more professional. So I just gave it a screenshot, and now as you can see, the source code that has been generated has a lot more code. So let's see what happens when I try to, okay, copy this here. Okay, and then we have, where's style? Okay, index.css. So I need to create a file that's called index.css. Okay, there we go. And this one as well. Let me create this one quickly. With this. Okay, and this is gonna work. Well, it does something. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look. Once again, here was the same problem. I need to let me get back here. Let me get to this one. So basically, starting from the app. Okay. Well, there are a few things that he's not super happy about. Let me see. Search. This doesn't seem to be defined. Okay. Let's basically just take the error that we're getting say I'm getting this error. Also, please full file. Okay, let's give it a try. This is taking a little bit more than I expected, but well, I think that we're close. Let's see. Okay, it seems to be here. There was some components missing from that library. Okay, but should be fixed in the best of the cases. Okay, some magic. Okay, this looks like something. I don't know if I love it. Also include the same file. Let's try to force it to include the CSS as well, because I think what's happening is we have some issues with the styling. Just okay, now it's included in the same file. Hopefully it's not going to be too much because there are some limits, but let's see. Okay, it's done with the styling. It's now creating all the code, product price, product pictures, banner. Okay, looking good. It's doing the features as well. Okay, let's go one more time. Nice. Okay, there you go. So look at this. Basically, it's using the same name that I had in the picture, I believe. Yes, we need to modify that. Looks very, very similar, with kind of the same styling and the same colors. And here you can see that actually it's listing products directly from commercetools. So these ones is doing a real-time API call to commercetools, getting the price, the name, the images, and so on. So of course, by no means this is a fully functional website, but in 4 minutes, just by having a conversation, I was able to get to this place, which I think is super cool. Let's try one more thing. This may be a bit risky right now, but why not? Okay, looks great. Keep everything and include add to cart and a cart page. Okay, so now what I'm trying to do is start adding functionality. That one was only listing some products, but now we want to go deeper. Let me see, so I keep existing styles. New styles, okay. Yeah, that's the thing, it's gonna make me do the merge manually, which I do not really want to. But okay, let's do that. Hopefully it's gonna work. Okay. If we go back to the code view, Let's do the client builder and API root. Okay, probably this one's not the same, but who knows. Okay, same styles. Now it's adding few styles, and we're gonna go from here all the way down. Okay, these are the existing styles. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I'm saying okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. Well, there is an add to cart. I don't know what's gonna do. Maybe it did something. It's not defined. Okay. We're close. This probably is going to take a few more interactions, I will assume. Now look at this. So when I'm doing add to cart, it's actually changing the price of the car. So it's doing the add to cart. That's super cool. And it's refreshing the total. The only thing that is missing is the view of the cart page. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's see if we can fix this one to end on a good note. Okay, seems that it's missing one import. Okay. Okay, let's see what it did. Okay, minus an X. Okay, that makes sense. It included this one. Now. Okay, it's cool. What else? Update card component. Let's see. I assume there's going to be a change here. I don't even want to look into it. Okay. And it did something else. Remove what? Add this to your story. Okay. I trust you. Okay. Okay, now it's 0. Add to cart. 269. Okay. Excellent. Nice. There you go. You have a cart, which is actually once again coming from commercetools. So I'm going to stop here. I think the idea is clear. It took me 20 minutes. Okay. Probably you can do it faster to create an extremely basic but somehow functional site. I'm blown away by the styles and how close it is to the picture I provide, and it's actually working, and I have made no change to the source code. All 100% of the source code was written by the AI, which is still even more impressive. I don't know about you, but this blows my mind in a way. I want to do one more thing, which I tried on some testing before. Let's see what happens. But okay, let me see. Right, do it for now. May make it like the Audi website. Right. Okay, I tried something like this in the past. Let's see if actually we can get this one. So I assume that what it's going to be doing now is going to be changing the styles to something that makes more sense for Audi. Okay. As you can see, it's going super fast as well. Like I'm impressed by the speed. Placeholder, interesting. Okay. This is the last one, I promise. That thing's okay. Seems like we hit some sort of limit, so wasn't able to generate everything. Yeah, I have a limit of how many requests I can make every hour. So probably we went over. Let me try in just to see how this looks like. Okay, nice. Discover all this. Okay, wow, that is really impressive. Actually, it changes the title, it changes the design. Now there are more pictures. If you remember before we had less. Now there are more products being displayed on the home. It wrote something that actually makes sense for that particular brand. I just did the add to cart. This part I don't know, but it's gonna, yeah, the add to cart also works as well. What? That's crazy. The totals work as well. Anyhow, okay. Now I'm gonna stop here. I will love your comments and thoughts. As I said before, this version of AI was just released a week ago. For me, it's a big step forward. For this type of use cases, work much better than ChatGPT. And well, I guess it's just the beginning. Thank you, everyone.